Hey guys, this is Mrs. Carr, and it's Friday, May 1st. My goodness, can you believe it? It is May already, and I'm not sure what happened to April. It just went by in a blink of an eye, but here we are. And I'm here for your Friday rundown. So as you can see, I am on the district website, but if you'll notice that this was the last lesson of the week, this was Friday, that was Wednesday, and you'll notice that there are no other lessons. So you are actually still in the Schoology tab for today. You're not even going to need this. Matter of fact, you see me deleting it right now. You're not going to see it when it shows up into your Friday folder. So this week what you're doing for the lesson is you're going to do the formative assessment, please. So please make sure you do this. If not, I'm going to be sending out a text message to your parents on Sunday to let them know that you have not completed it and it needs to be done. So please make sure you're taking care of your business so you don't have to get that text message. So you're going to go ahead and complete this. This is a quizzes, okay? Make sure you use your anchor charts. We've got all these anchor charts here to help you. Here is a reminder of the butterfly method. Here is a reminder of the not butterfly method, the regular method that we use. Here is if you're adding and subtracting, if you're doing mixed numbers with the bow tie. And here is subtracting if you need to regroup not bow tie. So please utilize any and all of these charts depending on the method that you use. You can still go back, and even though we don't have any lessons on them this week, you can still use these videos. You can use the video here and here. You can use the videos here, and you can use the videos from here if you need any additional help. So don't feel like just because those were on previous days that means that you don't you cannot use those videos. Please use your tools. And as I've been telling you all week, please make sure you are utilizing Microsoft Teams, guys. It is very important that you contact us if you're stuck or having questions or having trouble. We are here for you. So use that Microsoft Teams. And if you don't know how to get to Teams, then go back to the beginning of your science or math course, and you'll see that video for how to get to email and Teams. So please utilize that as you go through this week, because I know this was a tough week. Also, you can send us messages through the messaging system here. But again, please ask questions. Let us know if you need help, whatever you need us to do. And that is it, because today's Friday. Yay! Awesome. Can't believe we're done already, and on to having a great weekend. All right, guys, y'all take care. Please let us know if you have any questions. Please let us know if you have any questions, guys. We're here for you. All right, take care. Have a good weekend.